How to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. So if you want to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Steam. Now, after opening your Steam, make sure that you've logged into your account. Just wait for a few seconds and make sure to enter the correct credentials. Now, after entering your credentials, you'll be logged into your account, right? Now, once you've logged into your Steam, you need to go with the library section, which will be in the top left. After that, from your library, you need to locate the game that's giving you the error. So right-click on the game, and then you will have Manage option. Go with Manage, and then go with Browse Local Files. Now, this will open the games folder and look for the directory named Easy Anti-Cheat. After that, open it, or just right-click on it, and then go with Show More option. Once you go with Show More options, here you will have an option of Create Shortcut. You need to click on Create Shortcut, and after that, the shortcut will be created. Right now, you need to select the shortcut and then right-click on it. And after that, you need to go with Show More options again, and you will have an option of Properties on the bottom. You need to click on Properties, and you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to go with the very end of the text under the target right here. You can go with the very end, press a space, and then go with Install prod, and then enter FN. After that, hit the enter and then click on Apply and OK. And then you need to save the changes, right click on the shortcut, and you will have an option of Run as Administrator. Click on Run as Administrator, and this will install the easy anti-cheat for the game. If the issue still persists, you can go back to your Steam library and then right click on the problematic game, and you need to select the Properties option. From the Properties section, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with the installed files and then go with Verify Integrity of the game files. Now, Steam will repair any corrupted or missing files, and once this process is complete, you need to try launching the game again. That's it. That's how you can fix anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.